Hi, today we're trying to find dy dx of this equation using chain rules. Chain rules is just a shortcut when we do these questions. For example, this question normally we expand the bracket and then do the normal differentiation. But you will find it very hard to expand cubics, quantities, and so on. If the index keep going up, you will find it very hard to do it. So what we're going to do, instead of expanding, we show you a shortcut to do this type of question. Okay, the shortcut is when we have this type of question, we try to simplify the questions using a letter u. So we try to rewrite the equation as y equal to u to the power of 3. Okay, then I can do the differentiation much easier by putting the 3 in the front and then take 1 off. But we cannot ignore the things inside the bracket, so I have to tell people, or I tell people u is actually the bracket, which is x squared plus x first. Okay, so I've got two things now to do separately. Okay, and then I will show you how do I combine them together to get the dy over dx. Alright, so now let's do these two things separately. We know how to differentiate this x squared plus x, it will become 2x plus 1. And now this is what we got du dx. Okay, that's what I know. And this part, okay, we do it normally to bring the 3 down and then u to the power of 2. And now this one, because we differentiated u, so we call it dy du. Alright, so now I've got two fractions here. But the fraction that I want to find is dy over dx. So I want the dy on the top and dx in the bottom. And by looking at these two circles on the top, I've got dy on the top here, dx in the bottom. To get to this final answer, all I need to do is times these two circles together, then I'll get dy dx. So now what I'm going to do is times dy over du with the du over dx. You can see the normal multiplication, du will be cancelled to get dy over dx. Okay, so on the other hand, dy dx is equal to these two things times together. Okay, I'll put dy dx in the front and then these fractions at the back. Alright, so whenever I want to do dy dx, I break it into two parts, bracket one part, and then the cubics as a simplified form. So whenever I want to do it, I do this bracket in one side and differentiate it, okay, and then make the circle as u and then do it. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is actually times these two things together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this or move this to here and then move this to here. Alright, and then times them together. Oh, don't touch my hair. Alright, and then now I'm going to times them together to get the final answer. Make sure you put bracket around it. Alright, then we're done. And the last thing is we need to change u back to x. So I know u is this bracket, so I just put the u back to this bracket. So the final answer, I'm gonna get some space first. Get rid of these and move the whole thing up, then we're done. Okay, again, don't touch my hair. Alright, which will give me equal to 3 bracket x squared plus x, the whole thing square. Okay, so what I did, I just put this bracket back to the u and then copy the 2x plus 1 at the back. Then we're done. Okay, alright, so hopefully you enjoy this video. Thank you very much.